there. I'm going to show you in this video how to unlock Alcatel 1, alias known as OT-5033. As usual, we have one locked sample. This phone has installed on it latest Android version with the latest patches from 2019. The previous unlock method released by us is not working on the new security patches from 2019, and therefore we developed a new unlock method which is released on all the versions equal or above 3492 from OT Smart. So let me show you that this phone has the latest security patch installed. Let's remove the SIM. Go to settings, system, about phone, and you can see here Android version, and the security patch level is 5 July 2019. So let me demonstrate to you how to unlock it. Let's first type here the model name, One Touch Joy 1. Now let's reinstall the SIM. The phone is requesting for the unlock code. Let's power off the device. I'm gonna simply remove the battery because it's faster. Now we're returning back to the software. I'm going to select remove SIM lock and press connect. As you can see, now the software asks us if we want to unlock this phone using the new unlock method for 2019 security patches. So I'm going to choose no because I want to show you that the old method is not working anymore. So let's choose no. And now let's insert the USB cable. Phone got detected. Okay, as you see, unlocked failed. So now let's repeat this process, but this time we are going to choose yes, so that the software is going to use the new unlock method developed by us. So let's choose yes. So once the software starts searching for the phone, I'm going to connect USB cable. Phone detected, unlock started, phone unlocked, only 1 second. Now let's check the mobile. Let's reattach the battery cover and let's power on the device. As you can see, Vodafone Romania, full signal, so the phone got successfully unlocked. So the new method works very fine. There's no more need to downgrade the phone or things similar. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.